pattern coloring. Children, pattern coloring is a good art. You can make various designs by coloring each square in different colors in some pattern. The technique is to put a color dot in the squares and then start coloring with the color marked by dots. Wow, it's so beautiful!